Hey guys, Eric here with another quick video. Today we're going to show you how to work some of the interface and how things work inside of Toonly. So first off, let me just go ahead and delete this here. This was the last one I did, but if you're starting out, it's as easy as clicking where it says create new video, and we're just going to put interface, create, and now I want to show you quickly on the left here, you've got the scenes, backgrounds, characters, objects, things of that sort. But let's just show you real quickly with the background. And let's assume, for instance, you have a business that sells Christmas trees. So I'm looking for a background related to Christmas, and there's one right there. Mind you, again, there's a lot of different types. This is just an example. I'm going to drag the scene into here, or drag the background into there. Give it a second to load, and you can see right here where we can do all of our edits, and we can actually take that scene and make it as long as we want, right? So we're going to take this and just extend it out, let's say 10 seconds. So if I go ahead and I click play, nothing's really going to happen yet. We have no characters, there's no text, but let's go ahead and add a character. So let's scroll down. I did see one earlier, and we're going to add little Lady Santa. Okay. So we've got the Lady Santa here. Keep in mind, you can make her bigger, you can make her smaller. When I go ahead and press play this time, she's already in the scene. But what I want to do is not have her come in like right away. So I'm going to drag it to about 1 second in, and I'm going to drag almost all the way to 10 seconds, but not quite. Now let's take a look. There she comes in. But let's have her actually do something now, right? So we're going to go ahead and click on that mint green color there. You can see there's an orange border around it that tells you that you're working with it at the moment. We're going to the animation setting, and what we're going to do is have her, let's have her say hi. We'll save that. Once again, let's see it from the beginning. Great, now she's saying hello. And if you don't like something, you want to go back, it's as easy as what we just did there. There's your little back button there. And again, that will just take it right off. Okay. Oh, made a mistake. Let's go forward again. We want to keep the wave, right? Let's go and watch it again. See, she's waving there. Okay, now, if you want to just preview it this way, you can too as well. So now watch. It takes up almost the whole screen, right? Okay. Let's go back. Let's go ahead and put some text in there. In this case here, let's go ahead and use, in this case here, we'll use the smooth text. I'm going to drag it in, and depending on where you want it, which in this case I'm going to keep it towards the bottom because you can visually see it pretty well. And just in the case of the character here, we can drag this bigger or smaller. To the right, you'll be able to see where you can control what you want the text to say. So there's the content, and I'm just going to put Christmas trees, actually Christmas tree special. And you can see it looks a little too big there, right? But let's go ahead and make that a little bit smaller. I can also control the font, the type of font. Let's use this one, Handley. And you can see it gives it kind of a, it does give it sort of that festive kind of look there. So you're probably thinking, well, where's the text now? It's right here. It comes in a little bit after 4 seconds. But let's bring it a little bit earlier here. Let's just say about 1.5 seconds it comes in. So now if I press play, she's waving hi. There's the text there. And then I do want text right after that. So let's go ahead and add one more of these here. And in this case here, we're just going to put 87 $1 special. Okay, and I can go ahead and drag this to show up right after this text here. Well, okay, so I don't really need to say special twice. So let's go ahead and change here the text and just say need a Christmas tree Okay, so let's change that up. Need a Christmas tree. $87 special. All right, so now we've got it's about 10 seconds long. We can even shave that off there and bring it to, maybe about 9 seconds. Okay, let's preview it. Now again, what would really make this nice is if you have some music behind it. So there is the option of music. I want to scroll up so you can see in the view part here, it says toggle full screen. And now right here, you'll see this is where the music is. Now, it doesn't matter what you decide to choose for music, but this is just for an example. And for example purposes, we're going to keep it simple. So you'll notice on the left-hand side, they make it really easy to find. There's your scenes, backgrounds, characters, objects, text, and right below that is music. Okay, you can listen to the songs by just pressing the play button there. And what I want you to notice is on the right side through here, you'll see it rendering. See, right there. So let's say that you want to use one of these tunes. Let's go ahead and use the baseball one, just for fun. And you're going to see how the hand changes. It goes from pointer to hand. You basically grab it and you drag it down. You can see where it actually ends here now. So let's go ahead and listen to the music with the imagery. Okay. And it kind of ends abruptly there. But let's do like a fade out, right? And let's bring some of the volume down just a little bit more. And we're going to save that. And then let's just watch in the preview window. Pretty impressive. All right, guys, if you like what you saw, check out the description box where you can find a direct link to the program, to the software. This is great stuff. You can use it for so many different things. As I said before, it is user friendly. And what better way to make videos than drag and drop just like this? Thanks again for watching, guys. See you real soon.